Hey everyone, this is the Vivo Z1X smartphone and this is the new member to the Vivo Z series line of smartphones. The device is a slightly incremental upgrade over the Vivo Z1 Pro that was launched last month. So let's check it out and see what all does this device has to offer. So the Vivo Z1X features a 6.38 inches Super AMOLED Full HD display which offers 83.3% screen to body ratio and has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio as well. The device is running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 processor. It's an octa-core processor and is powered by an Adreno 616 GPU. The device has a 120GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM. This is the variant that we've got, and there might be other variants that will be launched along with this at the time of launch. The Vivo Z1X is running on company's own skinned version of Android, and this is called the FunTouch OS 9.1. It's the latest iteration of the FunTouch OS and offers a lot many customizations and features. This FunTouch OS 9.1 is based on Android 9.0 Pie. So the Vivo Z1X is launching in India in the first half of the next month, and we'll keep you updated about the price and other details of the device. And in this video we're going to test out the gaming performance of this device and see how well does this device perform on the high intensive graphic intensive games like Pubg Mobile, Asphalt 9 and Fortnite. We'll test out all the games in highest to lowest possible settings and see how well does it perform and does it heat or not. So let's quickly get started and see how well does it perform.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
Clear. Cover me. You're about to win.
The blue team is heading to a perfect win.
Kill. Reloading. Enemy blue
Blue team is
victory.
unstoppable.
Yeah.